Sorry. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. So, children, you know which chapter we are going to start today?
Junk sailor.
Tell me the name.
The junk sailor.
The junk sailor. The junk sailor.
The junk
Very good.
The junk sailor.
sailor.
Very good. Everyone know the name of the chapter is Junk Sailor.
Yes, ma'am.
So, who will tell me? In English, we call them the Junk Sailor, and in Hindi, what we call them?
Kabaddi wala.
Kabaddi wala.
Kabaddi wala.
Kabaddi wala.
Kabaddi wali.
Kabaddi wala.
Kabaddi wala.
Kabaddi wala. Okay. What is the
Kabaddi wala.
work? What is the job of the Junk Sailor?
Ma'am, they take something kabad and they give
Let
money to.
Dhwani explain. Let Dhwani explain.
They
Yes,
sell
Dhwani.
the
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Raise your virtual hand if you know the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first they take the extra things and they give money and then they
Extra things.
sell.
I have many extra things at my home. What actually
That
the extra thing means?
means that we have no use of that and that oil some big box come that
Hmm.
one
Hmm.
and
Kabadiwala only, the
cardboards
junk sailor
cover.
only take the boxes and the cardboards.
No, they take
What
many
else?
more things. They take that car.
Shivani, you need to follow the classroom. Raise your virtual
They
hand.
take uh, that chairs
Krishav, don't play with your raising hand. Let it raise the hand. I will ask.
cha- chairs and they sell to another and they give money to us.
Okay. Yes, Shivani. Now explain.
Ma'am, they take from us newspaper, boxes, extra, something like that, and then they give money to us. Then they make it something different, and then they sell it.
Then they recycle it. It will go to the recycle. Yes, Krishav, can you explain me what are we going to
Ma'am,
learn in
they
this
take
chapter?
the olden things and give us they the things it is rusted or things that we don't
Hmm.
need we can give them and they will give us money and they will
Okay.
recycle it.
See, I was having so many these things. I will show you bottles and this empty bottles of
Ma'am, they
shampoo,
also take the sauce olden
and I have
they,
newspapers. Mute yourself. Very good, Krisha. I have newspapers also. So where I will go to give this, Hare, where I will go to give this, because now this is the waste material for me, because these are the old newspapers which I have already read, and these are of no use for me, and these are the bottles which are empty now. So should I keep this at home and fill my home with this waste material, or
no
I
ma'am.
have to give to someone, Hare?
You will give to someone.
That person is called the
Junk sailor.
junk sailor. So I will take this all waste to
Ma'am,
the
but
junk
why do we
sailor.
call that the junk sailor?
That is the name. Junk means what? The waste material.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
that
Yes, sir.
at my home there is an extra TV. My
Uh,
my mother has given it to junk sailor, and
mm,
he gave us 700 rupees.
yes. But see, now what happened when we sell these things to the junk sailor? When we give these things to the waste material to the junk sailor, so will the value of the things will be same?
No ma'am, he will hide the rent, he will lower the rent.
Now he will give us a wait.
Ma'am,
Is my is my voice coming clearly to you all?
Yes,
Just let
ma'am.
me know if
Yes, ma'am.
it will not come clearly. Let me know, okay? So what happened if I take a one newspaper every day? It costs 4 to 5 rupees. But when I give a bundle of old newspaper, then only I will get the 5 or 6 rupees. Why this is the difference? Who will
ma'am,
tell me?
because we
Raise
are
your hand. Yes, Deer. Deer, please explain me why. When I purchased the new newspaper, it was cost 4 to 5 rupees per one newspaper, one day newspaper. And when I now it is of no use. Now it's all the old newspapers. Now he is giving me the 5 6 rupees for the half kg, or for 1 kg is giving me 10 rupees. Why the cost is going low? Why the price is going low?
Ma'am, because it is old.
have money.
Because they don't have money. That's why they're giving me less money.
Because it is old. Because it is old. Ma'am, it is old.
Yes. Mohammed, yes.
Ma'am,
tell
because
me.
it is old and it is of no use.
Twani, you already got the chance, no, beta? Let others also let speak. Yes, Mohammed.
Ma'am, it is junk. It is
Now it is junk. Already it is old now. So we will get the less value of the old things.
waste
Okay.
material. Waste material.
Less material or waste material.
Yes, ma'am, waste material. So it is low in price because it is waste material.
Yeah, that is why the price is low. And the newspaper, if I'm selling there, it is old. These are the old newspapers now, right? Now open the textbook page number 60. I'm also going to present you my screen.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
at my home there is too many extra things.
Hmm. Sometime at home also we recycle them and some reuse them, or sometime we give to the kabadi wala. So this is the story about. So it's written here in the picture also. Kiran Sumitra kabadi ki dukan. There was a lady, one lady, and she is running one shop. That is, she was a junk seller, and this is a real story about. And she lives in she lives in Patna. Have you ever met a kabadi wala? So you all have experience. You all have shared with me that you already met and you already seen the kabadi walas and what is the work of the kabadi wala. And it is not always that only the men's become the kabadi walas, or there can be ladies also, because every shop, every work nowadays ladies can also do. Okay, understood, everyone? Till here it's clear. Can I move forward? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. A woman who sells junk. This is a true story told by Kiran, who was a junk shop in Patna. She was a junk seller, and this is a true story about Kiran's. Please mute yourself. Who was a junk shop in Patna. I studied in a Hindi medium school. Let me see who is this. Which child was there? Who turned on his camera? Mike, sorry. Please turn off your camera when teacher is explaining. And please
Ma'am,
lower
turn
down
off your
your hand.
camera or mic.
Mike, sorry. And please lower down your hands. When I will ask the question, then I will give you chance again. Lower down your hands, everyone. Viha, lower down your hand, please. Thank you. I study in a Hindi medium school in my village. This story is this Kiran is telling about herself, that I studied in a Hindi medium school in a village. My father wanted girls to study like boys. I love Hindi and science, but I hated maths. And now see children, why are we learning this chapter in our maths chapter? Why are we learning about the kabari wala? See, they also, if they know calculation, then only they will able to run their shop. अगर उनको calculations नहीं आती हैं, so in the real life mathematics is having an important role in day to day life. So if one person is coming and selling for 2 kg newspapers, and the junk seller has to pay for the 2 kg old newspapers, how he or she will calculate the amount for the old newspapers if they don't know the simple calculation in mathematics? That is the need. We are going to learn this, this what we say, a general topic which will really help us to do some calculations in related with maths. Today, maths is most useful for my work. Now, she's saying when I was in the school, I really hated maths, but today, maths is most useful for my work. I could never imagine this in school. She said, I have not think about that maths will really help me. If I could have realized that time, I would be more good in maths. But now, maths is very much important for me to learn. What about you? Do you also find the maths difficult? Now, this question is from you all students. What do you think? The maths is really a difficult chapter or the difficult subject? Yes,
No,
Hare.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
What do you want to
No,
speak?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What Hare wants to speak, he raised his hand. Yes, Hare.
Ma'am, though I don't think the maths is too difficult.
Yeah, maths is not difficult, but
Maths
when
is very
we,
easy and interesting.
yes, it's practical. Yeah, it comes in your real life, and when you relate it with your real life, then you will really enjoy the mathematics. Yes, Krisha.
Ma'am, first we think that math will not help us. When we will become big, then we will know the importance of maths.
Yes, that is the reason. No, when your school timings will go, then how it will be very difficult for you to learn it from the beginning. Yes, and maths
Ma'am,
will
first,
really help you in your day-to-day life activities, right?
ma'am, first, I hate math. That maths is so boring, and now I love maths.
Good, good. Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, and maths is very useful subject also.
Yes. So now let's check what is in the next page.
Ma'am, we have to write down.
No, no. When I will let you know when to write. Have you heard about the this is done? What do you understand? What is the most difficult thing in your maths book? Children, you need to write what is the math difficult thing in your maths book. What do you think is the easiest lesson? Which is the easiest lesson?
Chapter 5.
Tick.
Tick,
Chapter
tick,
5.
tick.
Okay, related to
Ma'am,
time was easy. Some
chapter
were
five.
saying okay.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, the world,
Yes.
the
Can I
world
move forward to the next one?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. When I was young, my father died in an accident. Now, children, nobody knows when these casualties are coming. Nobody knows कि आपके ऊपर कब प्रॉब्लम आती है और कब आपको क्या चेंजेस करने होते हैं. So here, what happened is, she said, when I was young. Young means when she was really young and at the age of studying. She said, my father died in an accident. So my mother worked as a servant in some houses. So this is the problem coming on her family. We had a difficult time. She said we had a very difficult time because in her family maybe one person is the earning person, father is the earning person. When the earning person dies, the many problem comes in the family. So in her family also the problem arises, and they were not having money for to run the house. So what happened, I had to leave school after classes. She said I have to leave because I have to help my mother, I have to get married, I have to do some activities. So that is the reason she dropped the studies. I wanted to study more, but my mother got me married. मम्मी ने उसकी शादी करा दी. My husband family lived in a mud house. अब husband की family भी was not well settled family नहीं थी. Mud house में मिट्टी के you learn no many types of houses in EVS.
Yes,
Mud
ma'am.
house,
Yes, ma'am.
कच्चा house, पक्का
Yes, ma'am.
house. So mud house तो बहुत ही कच्चा house की तरह हो गया. The means अब उसकी मैरिज के बाद भी जो फैमिली थी दैट आल्सो नॉट वेल सेटल्ड फैमिली. वहां पर भी पैसे नहीं थे. हाउ शी विल रन द फैमिली नाउ? सी, my husband's family lived in a mud house. His two brothers and his sisters did not go to school. अब उसकी family में से भी no one was going to school because they also not very much good in the money, so they also not going for the school. He had a tea stall. Her husband was his having a tea stall. Now what happened? What is the most difficult is done? Yes, her husband is having a tea stall. So next. Now, ask people and find out Ask people and find out the cost of a cup of a tea at a tea stall. Children, if you visited to the tea stalls, can you tell me what will be the cost of one cup
Ma'am,
of tea
5
stall?
for
10
10.
rupees.
Yeah,
Ma'am, 5 to 10 rupees.
10
Ma'am, 5 to
rupees.
very
10
good.
rupees.
Ma'am, 10. 5
Very
To
good.
10 rupees.
Some of you are saying 5 to 10 rupees, right? Itna hota hai. If you drink a tea at the tea stall और होटल में टी पीने का बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस होता है स्टूडेंट्स. When you go in a big hotel and there if you order a tea, yes, Shivani, what will be the cost of a tea in the hotel then?
Ma'am, 50 rupees.
Okay, Mohammed, you tell me.
Ma'am, 100 rupees because it's a big hotel. So it is cost 100 rupees of tea.
Yeah. Why there is a difference of a same tea? वही एक cup of tea है. Stall पे पी रहे हैं. Yes, Krisha, wait, I will ask from you. Same cup of tea if you are drinking. The cost. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Same cup of tea if you are drinking on the stalls, the price is 5 to 10 rupees. And if same cup of tea if you are drinking in the hotels, the price is 50 rupees, 80 rupees, 100 rupees, depend on the hotel. So Krishav, why there is a difference?
Ma'am, because there is a difference, there is no difference in the tea, but they increase the money because they do some, there is for the things they have something too.
See children, yeah, very good. You actually tried.
And I'm value of the place. And
Yes.
they make any type of tea and it is
Ma'am, and they use the stalls, they use the paper cup and then
Yes.
but they use
Very good. It depends. When you go and drink the tea in the tea stalls, they give you the paper cups or the plastic cups, use and throw cups. But in the hotels, when you go, they give you the luxurious cups, and when you drink there in the tea, and you will. So they charge their service charges. Whatever the services they are giving you. That is why the tea in the hotel is costly compared to the tea in the tea stall. Now I will move to the next. I will ask the questions in the next.
ma'am
Yes.
because it is expensive. They take a lot of money for some tea.
Expensive place.
Ma'am, they take money because the hotel is very expensive and the tea stall is not it's very
Yes.
cheap.
Yeah. At the tea stall, the cost is not coming that much high compared to the hotel. Yes. If a person who runs a tea stall earn rupees 300 in a day, and this is now I am asking from you because this calculation you can do verbally also. Rupees 30 in a day. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day, how much will he earn in 10 days?
Ma'am, 320.
Ma'am, 300.
20.
Who told 330?
Ma'am, I.
Beta 30 multiply by 10,
Only ma'am 300 only.
only 300. If any number multiply by this, for example, my board is visible to you all.
Yes.
Let me stop the presentation. Let me take your attendance for a minute.
Ma'am, it will be 330.
No, ma'am, it will be 300.
How it will be 330, Pritika? Look here.
Ma'am, you told us one very easy method.
30 multiply by 100. Number multiply by number. Sorry, 30 multiply by 10 it is, no? Right. Number multiply by number. 3 multiply by 1 is 3. 1 0 of this and 1 0 of this will be added. It will be 300. Suppose if I do 400 multiply by 10. So how you will do? 4 multiply by 1 is 4. 2 0 of
Ma'am, 4,000.
Ma'am, 4,000.
yes.
4,000.
Number multiply by number and add the zeros at the back. You will get the answer. Suppose if I take 240 multiply by 20. So first I multiply 24 with the 2, which is 48, and add the 0 at the back of it. So 480. This way you will multiply the numbers which is having zeros. Multiply the number with the number and add the 0 at the back of the answer. Is it clear to you all? Now after this, come on the page number. I thought of starting my business. I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop, but my uncle said that we would learn a lot of opening a junk shop. Then uncle advised her to open the junk shop. In 2001, my mother-in-law and I opened a junk shop. We took a loan of rupees 8,000 for the shop. Now you will ask from me, ma'am, what is loan? Right? If now again it is a new term for you all. Don't raise your hand. Please put lower down your hands, everyone. Lower down your hands, everyone. This is a new concept which I want everyone to understand. Vihan, Lakshya, and Hiya, turn on your camera. Pritika, turn on your camera, or please leave the class. Hiya, again I am reminding you last time that you will not keep your camera off. Okay, so now they don't have money. See, children, if we want to buy something, if we want to buy a house, we want to buy a car, we want to buy a bike, we want to buy anything, and if we don't have money to buy that car, so we have one facility that we can borrow money from someone, either from bank or from someone. We can borrow money. That is called that we are taking a loan. For example, I want to buy this marker. This is very cheap, but a small example I am giving you. I want to buy this marker. The price of the marker is, roll down your hand, Pritika. Price of this marker is rupees 10. I don't have rupees 10. I want to buy rupees 10 from Viha. Viha will give me rupees 10. So this means I am borrowing some money from someone. Borrowed money is called the loan. Understood, everyone? Borrowed money is called the loan. What is called the loan? Yes, Krisha?
Borrowed money.
Borrowed money and we can take the money and we have to give it back.
Yes. Borrowed money is not that this is your permanent money now. You have to give back to that person. But when you give back to that person or a bank, then it will not be same. They will charge some amount on it. For example, Viha said, I am giving you 10 rupees, but when you repay me back 10 rupees, you have to pay me 11 rupees, not 10 rupees. So I have to pay 11 rupees to Viha then. So my borrowed amount was 10, and the extra amount, which is 1 rupee, is called the interest on the loan. It's called the interest on the loan. So there are two different. Yes, Hare?
They will give us date in date.
Yes, they will give us that after how many days and dates you need to pay it back. Okay. So there are different kinds of loans are available. For example, you want to take the loan for studies. It is called education loan. Suppose your parents want that you will become doctor, engineer, but we don't have some such amount to make you doctor and engineer. So what we do? We take your parents will take the money from the bank. Bank also give the money, or money lenders also give the money. Who are money lenders? Now you will ask from me. Who are money lenders? Money lenders are the persons outside. They give the money, but they charge some extra. Please stable your camera, everyone. I can see many of you are moving here and there. Bank is also give us the loan. Money lender is also give us the loan. But comparatively, don't turn on your mics in between. It's a new concept for you all, bacha. Pay attention here. So in this book, it was said that she has to take 8,000 rupees as a loan from the bank. Then when she take the loan from the bank will charge some extra amount. That is called the interest. The extra amount when bank says, okay, I will give you 8,000 rupees, but after 6 months, you pay me 8,500. So how
Ma'am,
much
why?
is the interest?
Ma'am, but you said only 1 rupees.
No, that is the example I have given.
Okay.
It is depend, the extra charges will depend on bank to bank, how many, it depend on the percentage. But right now it is not in your syllabus how to calculate the percentage. I'm directly giving you the amount.
Ma'am, if we take 8,000 and we are not able to give in 6 months, so
Yeah, that case also I will tell you. See, so you wanted the 8,000 rupees. So but me cannot go directly to the bank and say, bank, I need the 8,000 rupees. No, they will not give you. First of all, there should be an age limit to get the loan. Before 18 years or 20 years, you will not able to get the loan, right? After 18 years or 20 years of age, then only you will able to get the loan. Your parents will get because they are senior, they are their age is more than 18 years or 20 years, right? You will not go directly to the bank because you're kids. You will not go directly to the bank and ask for the loan. No, for taking the loan there must be age limit. 18 or 20 years age should be there. Then you have to keep something as the security to the bank, है ना? बैंक आपको नहीं पहचानती है. आप you will directly go and say bank, okay, if Dhwani is 20 years of age, but if she will go directly to the bank and ask for the loan, bank will not give the loan like this. Bank has to keep some security papers. अगर बैंक आपके security papers means, for example,
Property.
yeah.
ma'am, if anybody came and they ask for them, so if they give, so they will not able to have their money back.
Yeah, if anyone can go like this, ऐसे ही चले जाओगे बैंक में और बैंक से लोन ले लोगे, तो bank will believe on you.
No, ma'am.
No. So that is the reason bank keeps some security papers. Security papers means अगर आपको हाउस पेपर्स है तो आप हाउस के पेपर्स वहाँ सिक्योरिटी में रखोगे कि इन केस आप रीपे नहीं कर पाए लोन, तो वो बैंक आपके पेपर्स को रख देता है सिक्योर, आपका हाउस फिर ले लेता है अगर आप नहीं पे कर पाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाउस लेना है और यू हैव केप्ट द बाइक और कार पेपर्स, कुछ ना कुछ सिक्योरिटी में रखना होता है. आइदर यू कीप एज अ सिक्योरिटी एज अ गोल्ड रखो, बाइक रखो, कार रखो, एनीथिंग यू नीड.
Ma'am, in Hindi we call that we call that girvi, no?
Yes. So you have to keep something as the security, then only the bank will give you the loan. So you all understood what is the loan? Borrowed amount from the bank, okay, on the basis of the security. And when the bank charges some extra amount on it, it can be any amount. आप लाखों में ले रहे हो लोन तो उसका इंटरेस्ट भी लाखों में होगा. If हजारों में ले रहे हो, if you're taking 8,000, so it can be in the hundreds or thousand. It depends on the bank to bank that how much interest they are charging.
Ma'am, if we are taking off 850 loan and they said us to pay in 6 months or 7 months, and if we are giving back on ninth month, so they will
Charge more extra
charge
interest.
more extra interest.
Yes, they will charge more extra interest. Okay.
We
ma'am,
give
it can
late,
be,
so they will. How much late we will give, they will more than
They will
interest.
keep on adding the
So,
interest.
ma'am, we will uh, uh, give late one day only, so they will charge more.
Yes, कुछ ना कुछ तो रेशियो होगा ही वन डे का भी, है ना? And if suppose you have taken, Jignesh, you have taken 8,000 rupees loan, and interest is 500 on it. So how much total amount you have to pay to the bank? Yes, hello. I can hear you, Jignesh. Hare, 8,000 is your loan plus interest, not minus interest. You have minus.
Ma'am, can we write in chat box?
Yes, please write the total amount in the chat box. 8,000 is your loan amount. 500 is your interest. How much is the total amount you need to pay to the bank? Yes, we have. How much is the total amount you need to pay to the bank? Yes, very good. The right, please, Asta Lakshadola.
Ma'am, we need to pay 8,500.
Ma'am, can you ask me another because my mic was not working?
Okay.
that time.
Jignesh, if you have taken 9,000 from the bank, 300 is the interest. How much you have to pay to the bank?
9,300.
Shivani, if you have taken 1 lakh from the bank, you are paying now 10,000 as the interest also. So how much you have to pay back to the bank?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
1 lakh you have taken from the bank, and on 1 lakh you are paying 10,000 as the interest. So how much total amount you are paying to the bank?
Ma'am, 11,000.
10,000.
11 lakh.
11 lakh. 1 lakh plus 10,000 is 11 lakh.
1 lakh 10,000. 1 lakh
1 lakh
10,000.
10,000.
1 lakh 10,000 you have to pay to the bank.
10,000.
Got it? So
Ma'am, I
now,
have a question.
yes, please. Sister.
Ma'am, if we take money from the bank and we have to sign some papers or we have to give something on.
Yes, you have to sign the papers and you have to give some papers or property papers as the keeping as a security. Okay. So here, find out what is the loan. Then they have taken a loan. How much loan was taken? I have taken a loan of rupees. For example, they are giving. There are 2 persons given in your textbook. Maybe mute your mic, please. One is Haria and the another one is Babu. 2 persons are given. One is paying that 300 he has taken from the bank, and now this 300 he is paying every month 51 rupees, every month 51 rupees till 6 months. So tell me how much amount Haria will pay to the bank after 6 months. Calculate that. Hare, look into your textbook. It's written in the textbook, not on my face. Haria is the person, he has taken the loan. It's written in the blue bracket, students. Haria is a person, he has taken a loan from the bank of rupees 300. But now if he is repaying that amount, he is paying 51 rupees every month till the 6 months. How much he has to pay? How much he will pay?
And 360.
360.
How 300? No. 51 every month till 6 months. 51 multiplied by
306. 306.
306. And next one, Babu. Calculate the amount of Babu also, please. It's already written that Babu has to pay. How much Babu will pay?
300.
Diva? Diva just
300.
Babu will pay how much it's written?
Ma'am, 300.
No.
360. 360.
360. So who is paying more? Hariya or Babu?
Ma'am, Babu. Babu.
Yes. Arush, I
Ma'am,
know.
Babu.
Ma'am, this
Hariya.
one we have to write.
No. This you complete in the textbook only. Okay? Hariya and Babu. So we will discuss more about in the next coming classes about loan and interest. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Ma'am,
Thank
today's class
you.
was very interesting.
Thank you.
Bye.